today is our day 2 here in Baguio. And tonight, manonood kami ng Runway Revere Fashion Show. Kasama ko yung mga lolo't lola ni Shad, one of the talents of Vortex Modeling Baguio. So, manonood kami ng fashion show to support Shad. And here is my outfit for tonight. Kala mo naman kasali sa magpa-fashion show. Around 2:30 PM na yan and pupunta kami sa R&J Hotel kung saan gaganapin yung fashion show. And tingnan nyo naman kung gaano ka-fog. Pasensya na kung ignorante ako pero na-amaze talaga ako sa kapal ng fog dito. Hindi pa nga nagsa-start yung event nung makarating kami sa R&J Hotel. Pero hindi naman ganun katagal yung inintay namin, nakapasok na rin kami sa loob. Bigla naman ako nahiya sa outfit ko dahil yung itsura ko parang isa ako sa mga sponsor. Uy. At eto na nga at mag-uumpisa na yung event.
This is it. It's happening. Welcome to R&J Hotel. Welcome to the Runway Revere 2024 fashion community of Baguio City and all over the Philippines. Let us meet our models from Vortex Models International and our participating models from Destine, Mua Models, Iconic, Spice Modelos, and Aves Modeling Agency. But by the way,
a pleasant afternoon to each and every one of us.
Yes, and ngayon pala ako would like to...
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to... Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you.
Konti nga lang yung video clips ko dahil nalobat yung phone ko. May mga booth din nga pala dito yung iba't ibang sponsors ng event. Like ito yung booth ng Loving Scarlett. They are selling cosmetics and pwede nyo silang hanapin sa Facebook. Actually, I'm interested sa kanilang hair mist. Hindi ko alam kung pag nasa Manila na ako makaka-order ako nun, but i-check ko. And also, yung Mystique Soleil na Derma Soap also got my attention. Basta talaga mga beauty products, madali tayong mabubudol. So, i-check nyo na lang din yung kanilang Facebook page. Another sponsor here is yung RL Photography. And nag-held sila ng photo booth dito. So, if you are in Baguio or dito ka sa Baguio nakatira, pwede mong i-try yung kanilang services. And napakarami pang ibang mga sponsors dito sa event na to. Disclaimer, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga nandito sa event. But this video is not sponsored. Pero all links will be in the usual places. Lalagay ko na lang yung mga links nila sa description box just in case you're interested. Meron din nga palang mga guest performer dito sa event. So, yun lang, konti lang yung clips na nakuha ko sa event. So, please do support Shad. Ilalagay ko na lang siguro yung link din ng kanyang social media or page ng Vortex Modeling Baguio where you can find him. Napakagwapo at napaka-talented ng batang ito. Kitang-kita ko yung passion niya sa ginagawa niya. Again, this video is not sponsored. And I guess that's it for this vlog. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. And see you on my next one. Bye! Thank you for watching!